Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Marc here with a C, or C. Today I'm gonna do another product review of something I've had in my kitchen for about the last 6 months. It's the Starfrit Chopper. This is a piece of kit, in my opinion, and I could say that because I've had it for a while and run it through some tests, is a piece of kit everybody should have in their kitchen. It's 20 bucks. 20 bucks on Amazon. We are not sponsored by them at all. I just want to put it out there because we love it, and I think you'd love it too. Great little piece of kit, very light. Very obviously sharp blades here, container, and you'll see this here is basically just full cord. Now, I'll tell you, when it comes time to clean up and taking care of this, don't throw this in your dishwater because the whole mechanisms inside get soaked up with water. It takes forever to get it out. So take your dishcloth, give it a wipe, give it a dry, done. Just a little pro tip here for you. So today what I'm gonna do is run it through a couple different tests. I'm gonna chop some onion with it, I'm gonna chop some pickles with it, and I'm gonna chop some eggs, pickles, and onion. Basically make egg salad. So let's start out here. I think I'll start out with my onion. So basically, just like that, cut it in half. And obviously the more pulls that you give, the more fine and more chopped your onion's gonna be. So I never counted, but that was like 7 or 8 pulls. And you can see there, very, very quickly, half an onion chopped very consistently. And you'll see in the bowl here as well. So we'll just use our spatula to get the most of it out. Let's move on to dill pickles. So we'll just put our blade back in very quick, like that. Throw our pickles in. We got 4 dill pickles here. Throw our lid back on. And just like that. And we're just gonna dump that into our bowl here. Very consistent, very fine. So now I'm gonna do some hard-boiled eggs.
What do you find you use it for the most?
I would say probably onion, because I hate to cry. And when you're chopping onion and chopping and chopping and chopping, especially if you're doing a bigger dish, you just get emotional. 3 hard-boiled eggs in, boom, lid on. Look at that. Unbelievable. Now you could maybe achieve this by giving a quick chop with a knife and then smushing it down with a fork or whatever, but I really don't think you'll get the consistency that you see there in that beautiful egg. So just like that, within a couple minutes, we've got everything we need to make up some beautiful egg salad. Obviously, you just need to add some mayo, salt and pepper, and you got some beautiful sandwiches there. Are there any cons to this piece of kit? I don't really know. I don't know how well it would do with carrots or celery, but actually, I've got a piece of celery in my fridge. Let me grab it and let's try it. Celery. So let me cut it in half. Boom. Grab our container, throw our blade in, and we'll throw in our 2 pieces of celery. So again, as most of you know, celery can be really, really hard, especially if it's fresh. So I don't know how well this is gonna work. I don't think I've ever tried celery in this, but let's see what it does. Okay, I'm impressed. Actually did a really good job with the celery. Should we like push it to the max, Jamie, and try carrot? Okay, well let's get a carrot. Okay, so I grabbed a small carrot. I mean, it's not super long, but it's a good size around. Gave it a quick peel, and I think I'll chop it in thirds. Roughly, we'll throw a blade in, carrot in, lid on, and let's see what happens. That actually is pretty cool. I had never done carrots in it. I didn't know what the capacity was. So look at that. So this again, is really a must-have piece of kit. I mean, it does pretty much everything that you would ever need for doing food prep, for salads or anything like that. Even if you're making a carrot cake or whatever, it's a quick way to clean up all your carrots. So these two pieces here, dishwasher safe, toss them in or put them in your dishwater. This here, I'll just show you how I give it a clean. I'm just gonna give this a very quick rinse here, and then just gonna get my soapy dish rag, and that's it. Super clean. Obviously you're not processing any raw meats or anything like that. You're mostly doing veg or whatever. So just like that, we'll grab a towel and it's ready for the next time you want to use it. In this very short video, I gave it a pretty good test, good run for its money, and it really stood up to all the tests that we put it to. Again, $20 item would make a great gift for anybody, college student, young person moving out, getting their first apartment, getting their first place. It's almost a must-have in anybody's kitchen, and it's super affordable, and the value is great for what you get. I hope you liked the video. Check out our other videos. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next video.